Ever wondered why your joints hurt after a long day at work or after an intense workout? It's more than just fatigue. Your joint health plays a vital role in your overall wellness. From moving around to lifting objects, your joints are involved in nearly every physical activity you perform. Now, imagine a day when those joints are not in their best shape. You might experience discomfort, stiffness, or even pain. It's a common problem, but not one that should be overlooked. Poor joint health can significantly impact your daily life, and over time, it can lead to more serious conditions. But here's some good news. There's something called the Joint Health Formula, a combination of powerful ingredients that can support and enhance your joint health. It's a solution that's backed by modern research and studies. What if we told you that there's a formula designed to support your joint health? Interested? Let's dive into it. The Joint Health Formula isn't a magic potion, but a combination of scientifically researched ingredients. Let's dive into each component and shed some light on their benefits. First up, we have glucosamine. This compound is naturally produced in the body and plays a vital role in maintaining the health of our cartilage, the rubbery tissue that cushions bones at joints. Modern research suggests that supplementing with glucosamine can help combat the wear and tear of this cartilage, a common cause of joint discomfort. Next in line, we have chondroitin. This is another naturally occurring substance in our bodies that helps keep our joints flexible by retaining water in the cartilage. Studies show that supplementing with chondroitin can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. Then we have MSM, or methylsulfonylmethane. This is a sulfur-containing compound that's important for building and repairing our tissues, including those in our joints. It's believed that MSM can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with certain joint conditions. Collagen, the most abundant protein in our bodies, is up next. It's the major component of our connective tissues, including those that make up our joints. Supplementing with collagen can promote the production of other proteins that help structure our joints. Turmeric extract, well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is another ingredient in the Joint Health Formula. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown in studies to help reduce inflammation and pain in joints. Last but not least, we have Boswellia serrata extract. This herbal extract, derived from the Boswellia serrata tree, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Modern research backs up these claims, suggesting that it can help manage joint pain and inflammation. Each of these ingredients plays a unique role in supporting joint health. But how exactly do they work? Let's find out. Science doesn't lie, and the science behind the Joint Health Formula is compelling. Let's delve into the fascinating roles each ingredient plays. First up, glucosamine and chondroitin. These two are like the dynamic duo of joint health. They're essential in the formation and repair of cartilage, that vital cushioning in our joints. Without this cushion, our bones would rub together, causing pain and damage. You see, glucosamine is a building block for cartilage, while chondroitin draws water into the cartilage, keeping it resilient and healthy. Next, we have MSM, short for methylsulfonylmethane. This ingredient is a rich source of sulfur, a mineral necessary for many body functions. In the context of joint health, sulfur helps maintain the structure of connective tissue and aids in the production of collagen. Speaking of collagen, it's the next ingredient on our list. Collagen is like the scaffolding that provides structure and strength to our joints. It's the most abundant protein in our bodies, and it's crucial for keeping our joints flexible and resilient. Last but certainly not least, we have turmeric extract and Boswellia serrata extract. These two botanical extracts are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a major player in joint pain and degeneration, and these extracts help to keep it in check, offering relief and promoting joint health. Evidence from modern research papers and studies support these points. For instance, a study from the National Institutes of Health highlights the positive effects of glucosamine and chondroitin on joint health. Similarly, research published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research speaks to the benefits of MSM, while studies in the Journal of Medicinal Food and the Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences underscore the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric and Boswellia serrata extracts, respectively. It's clear that the joint health formula is more than just a mix of ingredients. It's a research-backed approach to improving joint health. We've covered a lot about the joint health formula. Let's summarize the key points. This powerful concoction is a blend of 6 potent ingredients: glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, or methylsulfonyl methane, collagen, turmeric extract, and Boswellia serrata extract. Each has a unique role in aiding joint health. Glucosamine and chondroitin work together to improve joint flexibility and reduce inflammation. MSM, on the other hand, is instrumental in forming connective tissue and maintaining healthy joints. Collagen, the most abundant protein in our bodies, contributes to the strength and integrity of our joints. Then we have turmeric extract, popularly known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which help in easing joint discomfort. Last but not least, Boswellia serrata extract, an ancient remedy, is recognized for its ability to alleviate joint pain. With the joint health formula, you're not just investing in a product, but a promise of better joint health. Supporting your joint health is crucial for maintaining your overall well-being. The vitality of our joints often goes unnoticed until discomfort sets in. We've delved into the power of the joint health formula, unearthing its components: glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, collagen, turmeric extract, and Boswellia serrata extract, each ingredient playing a unique role. They collectively form a potent formula geared towards preserving and enhancing the health of our joints. Considering the joint health formula could be a game changer for your wellness journey. It's not just about relieving discomfort, but also about fortifying against future joint-related issues. Of course, before embarking on any new health regimen, it's paramount to consult your healthcare provider. They can guide you based on your individual health profile and needs. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of your joints, and they'll take care of you.